coming up.
You're right, Brian. You're absolutely right. I can tell you that yet again we've got a real person for you. Yes, any of our viewing millions could be here next week pressing that all-important button. That's if tonight's bonus ball means something special to them.
That's right, last week's bonus ball was 7, and that meant something special to Steve Renwick, and here's why.
I'm Steve Renwick. Number 7 is important to me for lots of reasons.
I was born on the 7th of May 1975. I have collected 7 special tennis rackets. I have won 7 tennis trophies in just 1 year's worth of competitions. In 1997, I graduated as a top tennis coach. And now I teach the next generation of tennis stars who are all age 7. On the 7th of the 7th month, I reached my 7th senior competition and made the final. And I hope that my thumb can serve somebody game, set and match into the money tonight.
Let's hear the Steve. How are you, Stephen?
Very well, thanks.
You're not shaking?
No.
So you're not shaking, Stephen?
No.
Have you brought it with you? Yes. That one camera. That one. Yes. Stephen's got the #1 thumb, but now it's time. One that can change your life forever. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Lottery Live for Alan.
The estimated prize fund tonight, £24,100,000 and a jackpot which could well be around £7.6 million. It is that time again, the National Lottery Draw, live on the BBC at 8 minutes past 8 on Saturday the 15th of May. Drawmaster John Willen, release the balls! So, in Wales, will Brian be all of a quiver, a Marion a Marion? And will James be going to the Eurovision Song Contest, or will he meet his Waterloo? As usual, the balls decide.
Okay, Stephen, the time has come for you to use your thumb.
I'd like to say good luck to Tim and Greg in this year's Wimbledon, and maybe tonight it could be you.
I've heard that somewhere before. First out from the machine tonight. Here we go. It's number 24. It's Ingravia and centre balls number 2. Second to be drawn is number 27. Nice draw equipment chosen at random by Asher Orstaker. That's the key. Third to be drawn is number 14. Team fair play this evening. And you get a shunned feet. And the fourth one is number 18. Most beauty in Wales tonight. All to do with Robin Hood. Our fifth one tonight is number 4. These numbers will determine the song contest questions. We asked James Cohen, Eurovision man. And the sixth one is number 14. So next it's the bonus. This will decide whether Robin Hood reigns at the wedding of Trudy and Brian. And it's 33. So let's check off tonight's winning numbers.